Hello everybody, my name's John Dexter and welcome to my channel. I want to do a short video today to try and help some of you out there who are looking for a mic adapter for your GoPro. Now, I use a Hero 5 Black for my videos, and I didn't think that the audio was that great on them, so I thought I would get myself an external mic. So I bought a Rode Lav Plus little lapel mic, but as I'm sure you know, to use that mic on the GoPro you have to use an adapter. Now normally these adapters go for sort of brand new, round about 50, just under £50, but further investigation and looking on Amazon, they've been in short supply apparently for quite a few months now. So I looked on eBay, and second-hand ones are going for round about £60 to £70, and I think there was one site that they had a new one for £75. Which I didn't really want to pay that much for one, especially seeing that they weren't that price when they were available. So I thought I'd go on to GoPro's site and have a look what the story is. And lo and behold, on their site they have these adapters in stock, and I think it was $49.95, something like that. I'll put their site up on the end of this video and show you. So I ordered it, and it comes from the Netherlands, and lo and behold, 3 days later it arrives, and there it is, this little mic adapter. Now, £50 odd is enough money to pay for one of these anyway, but the problem is that when things do become in short supply, I'm afraid the prices do tend to go up. So yeah, as I say, 3 days later I had it. So if you're looking for one of these, go on to GoPro's site and they have them in stock. So what I'll do is I'll put their site up now and show you exactly where to find it. Okay, so go into Google and just put in GoPro. Click on their main site and then go to the top of the page and click on accessories, and then you scroll down to the bottom of the page and then press load more, and then you scroll down quite a long way down and there it is, Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, $49.99. and that includes postage, and as I say, they've got them in stock. So there you have it. I hope this has been helpful to you if you're looking for one of these. If it has, please consider subscribing to my channel, as it'll really help me make more videos like this, and also videos on my abstract photography. So this is John Dexter saying bye for now.